Just start now. Stop waiting for life to be perfect or for all the stars to align before you start that business or try to achieve your goals. It is never going to happen. The only way this works is if you put the pedal to the metal and you take actions every single day, baby step by baby step. Over the next 10 years, you're either going to create a mountain full of baby steps that turn into something humongous, or you're going to create a mountain full of excuses. And guess what? Nobody cares about your excuses. They only care about the results. The market doesn't care about your excuses. They only care about the results. Are you going to lie on your deathbed and say, man, I wish I would have done that, but I have this excuse and that excuse? Or are you going to lie there and say, this is what I wanted to accomplish. I tried my very best, and this is what I did accomplish. The choice is yours. Work at it every single day. It's not going to be easy, but it's going to be worth it in the end.